Given that f of x equals 3x squared minus 7x plus 4, find the three function values f of negative 5, f of negative 1, and f of 0. So basically this is just a lesson in function notation, folks, and all this is math shorthand. And what you're being told here is you're being told x, right, because here you had x. Please replace x with negative 5 and tell us what y equals. So give you x, you tell us what y equals. Because remember, f of x is just a different way to say y, your dependent variable. So what we do is, I like to rewrite this problem with parentheses everywhere I have an x. And then go back and inside those parentheses write that number. So negative 5, negative 5. Okay? Well, negative 5 squared is 25. 25 times 3 is 75. Negative 7 times negative 5 is positive 35. And then plus 4. Okay? Well, 75 plus 35 is 110. And then, of course, you add 4 to that, you get 114. So f of negative 5 is 114. Now, what that means is, if you were to graph this function and you went to x equals negative 5, that would be your y value. And we'll do that in just a second. How about f of negative 1? Same thing, rewrite the function 3x squared minus 7x plus 4. And everywhere you have a parentheses, put in negative 1. Well, negative 1 squared is 1, and 1 times 3 is 3. Negative 7 times negative 1 is plus 7, and then plus 4. Okay, well, 3 and 7 make 10. 10 plus 4 make 14. Okay? F of 0. Again, rewrite the function 3x squared minus 7x plus 4. And everywhere you have an x, put 0. Well, 0 squared is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. Negative 7 times 0 is 0. And then, of course, plus 4. So you get, ta-da, 4. And the last one, f of 4. Again, 3x squared minus 7x plus 4. And everywhere you had an x, put 4. 4 here, 4 here. Okay, 4 squared is 16. 16 times 3 is 48. 7 times 4 is minus 28. Okay. Well, 48 minus 28 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. Okay, so we get these 4 answers here. Now, what I want to do is I also want to show you how to do this on your TI-83 or 84 or 83 plus or 84 plus, whichever one you have. And so what we want to do is we want to pull out our TI-83, TI-84, whatever we have, and I'm going to keep this sheet here to remind you of your answers and of the questions as well. And so pull out your TI-83. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to y equals. And you want to type this function in. So you're going to type 3x squared minus 7x plus 4. Okay? And then I always like to go to my window and just say, okay, well, I'm going to set my window to what they call a normal window, negative 10 to 10 in both directions, and press graph. And we see an equation that is a parabola. Okay, it's a nice, simple, easy equation here. And the first thing we were asked to find is f of negative 5. And you're going to go to the calc menu. Zoom in here just a little bit. Here above the trace key is the calc button. A very handy button for your TI-83 if you haven't used it before. Go there. And what we're looking for in this case is value. We're looking for the value at a particular x point. And if you press enter here, it'll specifically ask you for an x value. So you're going to plug in -5. Press enter, and what do you get? When x is -5, y is 114. Okay? So we're going to remind you of each of these. Now, normally when you use your calc menu, you have to go back out and redo this over and over. However, if you have multiple questions about one equation, you can simply continue to type in values and press enter. So I'm going to type -1, enter, and I get 14. 0, enter, and I get 4. And then last but certainly not least, I'm going to type in f of 4. So I'm just going to hit 4, enter, and I get 24. Very quick, very easy way to check these with your graphing calculator and feel comfortable and feel right about these. If you have any questions about this, please come see me.